Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1971 Chevrolet C10. Now this truck has had an immaculate restoration and we're really excited about being able to bring it to you. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now come on up and I'll take you around the outside, on the inside, under the hood, then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you'll see that all the chrome and stainless was replaced when they done the restoration on this truck. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down this driver's side and you see that this body is straight as an arrow. As you come on around, you can see that all these gaps are even and symmetrical around the door. You'll also notice your gap there at the bed's even and symmetrical as well. Before we go on around, I want you to come on up though. We'll take a look here on the inside. On the inside, it's got a gorgeous accent to the exterior color combination. You've got the black and blue houndstooth seat covers along with the black and blue houndstooth door panels. Now, as you look across the dash, you can see that it's been upgraded with digital gauges. You'll also notice the radio's been upgraded as well, and that this truck is set up with AC. Now, as you come on around, you can take a close look at the door panels and the seat covers and see that they're in phenomenal condition. You'll also notice that the carpet's been replaced and that it does have a new black headliner as well. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. As we come across the back, you can see that the brake lights have been upgraded to LEDs along with the marker lights. You'll also notice that the tailgate has the white Chevrolet treatment, which does a beautiful job of accenting this light blue color scheme. You can see the rear bumper has been replaced. And you'll also notice that we have the tonneau cover that has easy access. And inside the bed, you can see that it's all new. It's got new wood and new stainless strips. Now as you come around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how amazing the stance on this truck is. It features the custom 20-inch wheels, front and rear, and it's got the custom set of redline tires that does a great job of tying into the Hot Wheels emblems that you can see here on the fender. You'll also notice that this paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and it's slick as a ribbon down the sides. Come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Now under the hood, you'll notice it's got the old school look, but this is a LS style fuel injected engine. You'll notice we got the Holley Sniper EFI intake, and you can see that the cool packs have been relocated, so that way you got the old school look with the valve covers. Now this truck does feature a front runner polish kit, so you have the upgraded AC. You'll also notice that it's got power steering, and you can see that we've got a polished master cylinder and booster, which feeds the four-wheel disc brakes. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this C10, I'll get it pulled around there and put up on a lift so that way you can see the impressive job that they did underneath this truck as well. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this 71 around there and up on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Now that we have this C10 up on a lift, we can take a closer look at this impressive restoration. As you can see, the wood bed is in phenomenal condition along with the floor pans and the cab corners. This truck has obviously been well cared for as the frame all looks to be rock solid as well. Now under the front, you can see that it's had a new sway bar installed along with the ball joints having been replaced and the end-link bushings. Now this 5.3 V8 is mated to the 4L60E trans that goes out back to the 12-bolt rear end with around a 373 gear. For exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and the Borla Pro XS mufflers. The brakes have all been upgraded to four-wheel disc brakes, and it's also had new lines installed. You can also see that the gas tank has been replaced along with the fuel lines. Before we get this Chevy down, I want you to take one more close look at the stunning work they did on making this not only a gorgeous vehicle, but one that's an absolute pleasure to drive. Now let's get it down so that way you can see it on the highway.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.